Dave, I happen to notice this QR code on all of your products, pretty much all of them?
Yeah, pretty much all the products, every place we can put this. It's a QR code that goes to a special website that has operating instructions as well as operating videos, instructional videos.
So I scan it, and all of a sudden I get now a little, this is cool, it says instructional videos or operating instructions. I can just click it.
So let's say somebody's in the field and they're not sure exactly what to do in a certain circumstance. Well, they can actually just use their phone to click on this. It'll take them to the website. They can watch an instructional video.
Yeah, this is really cool. There's all of them here.
Right, and
right to them.
all the instructions are in there. All the details, everything about the machine that you'd want to know is available through this website. So all you have to do is click on the QR code.
Easy. If you forget or have a question, click the QR code. Takes you right to the general website with instructional videos.
Right. Of course, you can always call 800-245-6200, talk to the Drain Brains as well, but this gives you on-site access.
It's like a little mini Drain Brain built right into every tool.
That's great.
Thanks.
Thank you.